Hey Jeannie, my name is Nate Blackburn. I'm your personal product specialist here at Power GM. We received your inquiry into the 2009 Chevy Avalanche LTZ. Just wanted to take a minute to introduce myself and let you take a look at this beautiful truck we have here. This thing is loaded up. It's got the leather, the heated seats. Excellent condition, inside and out. And if you think she looks nice, wait till you see how she drives. Give me a call as soon as you can to schedule a test drive. My number is 330-385-9100. I look forward to working with you soon. Thanks, Jeannie.